If you have cassava at home, you need to make this recipe. A perfect option for breakfast or an afternoon snack. It's quick and easy, impossible to resist. Start by adding a cup of sugar to a pan. Then, turn on the heat and stir constantly until the sugar melts and turns into caramel. At this point, slowly add half a cup of hot water and continue stirring until it becomes completely liquid. And if you like easy recipes like this one, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. At this point, it is perfect. Now transfer all this caramel to a cake pan. My pan is 20 centimeters in diameter and 8 centimeters in height. Next, using a spatula, spread it very well along the sides of the pan. After that, add 4 eggs to a bowl. Using a fork or whisk, beat very well. And while you're at it, tell me here in the comments from which city or country you are watching this video. I want to know how far it will reach. Next, add 100 grams of melted butter or margarine. Mix once more to incorporate this ingredient into the recipe. Once done, add 700 grams of grated cassava. Here I grated it on one of the finer sides of the grater. Then, add a 395-gram can of sweetened condensed milk. After that, 200 milliliters of coconut milk. Right after, mix these ingredients very well. And if you're looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe for breakfast or an afternoon snack, you've just found it. Save it so you don't miss it. Next, add 100 grams of grated coconut. Mix once again to incorporate this ingredient. At this point, it's perfect. Now transfer all this dough into the caramel-coated pan. Every time I make this recipe at home, it's a success. The whole family loves it. When you make it at your home, I'm sure it will be no different. Next, with the help of a spoon or spatula, spread it well. Then, put it in the oven preheated to 180 degrees for approximately 1 hour. Our cassava cake is ready, everyone. And to remove it from the pan, run a knife along the side of the pan and also around the central cone. If you like cassava, from today on, this is going to be one of your favorite recipes. Then just turn it onto a plate, take a piece, and see the result better. And look how amazing this cake turns out. Simply perfect. Make it at your home and I'm sure everyone will love it and you won't regret it. If you've stayed until now, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what score does this cassava cake deserve? Now I'm going to leave you here. A big hug and see you in the next video.